Hi everyone, I have come up with my new video on kinds of adjectives. I hope that you're going to enjoy learning with me. And trust me, it's a very interesting chapter and it's not difficult also. If you learn it by your heart, you're going to understand it. Okay? So let's move forward and let's see what are adjectives. Adjectives are words that add meaning to a noun. There are four kinds of adjectives. So in this chapter, as I told you, we are going to learn about kinds of adjectives. So there are total four kinds of adjective. Let's see what are those. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective. So one by one we are going to learn about it. So first one is adjective of quality. They describe the quality of an object. So adjective of quality describe the quality of an object. They answer the question what kind. So they tell us that what kind of object is this. Okay, so they describe nationality, origin, size, color, judgment, feelings or qualities. Okay, so these five things comes under adjective of quality. Okay, adjective of quality helps us to describe nationality, origin, size, color, judgment, feelings or qualities. So when I'm talking about this judgment, I think you'll be confused with this thing judgment. So let me explain you. Here's one sentence. It is a dull day. So here the word dull comes under judgment. Okay. So what we are doing in this sentence, we are judging the day. That it's a bright day or a dull day. So we are judging. Okay. So basically, the word dull comes under the judgment. That's why it is told that whenever judgment is asked, is judging a particular thing or a person or a particular time. So here we are judging the day, that it's a dull day. We can also say like that it's a bright day. We are judging it. We are giving our personal opinions and feelings or qualities. So here the example number 1. Feelings and qualities. Okay, example number 1 comes under feelings and qualities. The respectful girl greeted the old lady. So here the quality respectful is the quality of that girl, and old is the age. So age also comes under adjective of quality. Okay, so respectful, kind, polite, these are the qualities of a particular person which we are talking about. Now the third example, Rohan is wearing a black cap. So color, as I showed you, and black. So black comes under adjective of quality. Now the second kind of adjective of quantity. They indicate the quantity of something. They answer the question how much. Example, few, some, little, much, enough, whole, etc. So these are the words which comes under adjective of quality, adjective of quantity. So there are not only this much, but there are many words, but these are the common words. So keep these words in your mind. It will help you a lot. Examples, there is little milk in the bottle. So little is adjective of quantity. There is enough food for the children. Enough is also adjective of quantity. Adjective of number. They tell us the number or position of people and things. Ordinal numbers. So position of people or things. So when we are talking about position in the respect of number, we mean ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are third, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, so on. They answer the question how many. So number the question which comes under adjective of number is how many. So under quantity the question was how much, and here the question is how many. Examples: there are 40 children in my class. So 40 is number. March is the third month of the year. Third is also ordinal numbers. Demonstrative adjective. This is the last kind of adjective. They point out the thing or person being talked about. They answer the question which one. So let me explain you this. When we're talking about demonstrative adjective, so they help us to point a particular thing, that what we're talking about, that particular thing, that the table, this table is very dirty. So this word is used to point that table, that particular table which we are talking about. Examples: that car needs to be washed. These girls decorated the house. So this, that, these, those, these words comes under demonstrative adjective. These four words. Okay. So this, that is used in singular. It's a singular form. And these, those are used for plural nouns. Thank you. Hope you enjoy learning with me. And if yes, then please subscribe my channel. I need your support. And till I meet you next time, see you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.